Hey, I'm Eddie Dolphin.
It's Rashid Kareem Shatty.
And thanks for watching another episode of Fact or Fiction.
Ready, fight!
Basically, this is Fact or Fiction, the challenge.
You lost last time.
That's true. I'm not proud of it. Fact or fiction, Rashid, gray hair grows faster than regular colored hair.
I'm going to tell you that's a fact. It's from my own personal experience.
Let's hear it.
Not that I've experienced, but that I've witnessed.
Okay.
So I've observed that those gray hairs in the beards,
Uh-huh.
I can see them in your beard a little bit.
Right.
For some reason, AD, they seem a little bit more prominent.
But they are a different color.
This is true.
To be honest, Rashid, it is a fact.
Epic.
And not only does gray hair grow faster, but it also grows longer. And it has a lot to do with the proteins within the cells. The protein are the instructions. And within those instructions, it's telling your body to stop making color, but it's still telling it to grow faster and to grow more hair and longer.
I got a question for you. Fact or fiction? Exactly one mutation causes red hair.
Right now, I'm running with fiction, and I'm hoping on it being right, and it's pure luck if it is.
That right there is fiction. You are right.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Excellent.
There are actually a bunch of different genes that each separately can cause red hair. It probably evolved independently several times over the course of human history. Can you believe that?
Listen, the only thing that I understand that you're talking about is you're right, AD. All right, Rashid, I got another question for you. Are you ready?
Let me hear it, AD.
All right, fact or fiction? White hair takes dye better than hair that is still colored.
AD, that's a fact.
Tell me your reasoning why.
It's because, again, I'm going to go with another anecdote. AD, I don't read, I just listen to people, okay?
Based on no facts whatsoever.
And I've seen plenty of people dye their hair, and they have struggled, AD, for years after dyeing that hair.
Rashid, first of all, let me just say this. What I'm about to say in this very moment, I really do enjoy. But this, the answer to the question is actually fiction. That means you are wrong, and your life experiences are also wrong. And the reason why you're wrong is because white and gray hair are harder. It's harder to dye those particular hairs. They're more brittle, it's more coarse, and it's harder for the hair to adapt to that hair.
So you're telling me it was all a lie? I had it all wrong?
You are absolutely wrong.
Loser.
Okay, AD, you control your own destiny.
Bring it.
I think you're gonna choke under pressure,
Never.
just like your boy AD for the Lakers on the free throw line.
That was sad.
Fact or fiction? Beard hairs grow thicker than scalp hairs.
I'm going to say that's absolutely a fact. Because I feel like your facial hair is a lot thicker than the hair on top of your scalp.
That is a fact.
That's what I'm talking about.
Winner.
You're correct that beard hair is coarser and thicker.
Right.
Did you know that it's actually 4 times thicker?
4 times is deep.
And you want to know why? It's because the follicle is larger.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
AD's got his first W.
Get used to this.
Oh, you better believe I'm going to be in the gym. And
The gym ain't going to help you with this.
I will be in the library.
Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay healthy.